Hi, this is Bill Davis with Remote Control Studios. The company was born right out of the pandemic to service the in-home production needs as everyone was stuck at home. Let me show you our production kits. So this is our featured kit. We call it the A kit. It is the perfect home studio setup for anyone that is in a virtual meeting or in-home interview or anything along those lines. It comes with Sony Alpha Series cameras. We are the anti-webcam company, so all of our kits come with real cameras with cinematic lenses, so you have a really nice shallow depth of field cinematic sort of look. The other big feature in our kits is this black teleprompter monitor, which is a secondary monitor that feeds off of the laptop we provide. We can put teleprompter script, PowerPoint notes, or a Zoom call. Anything you want your presenter to be focused on can go in that mirror. And then all the while, there is a camera in the back. The lens is focused on the person, so we're going to get their eye line and engagement with the audience, which is the most important thing and very hard to do with any sort of in-home remote Zoom sort of record. So for any sort of remote presentations, we're your company, Remote Control Studios. You can find us at www.remotecontrolstudios.com. Thank you.